Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing a safe grip and stance. Hold the metal bat with 2 hands, dominant hand on top. Make sure knuckles align. Plant feet shoulder-width apart and shift weight slightly back. Once done, take a compact load, not a long wind-up, and keep your eyes fixed on the ball. Move with a short stride toward the pitch, rotate hips first, then swing through the zone. This sets up power and control while reducing timing errors and strain. Once you commit, drive through the contact point by initiating the motion from your hips and legs. Your hands follow. Make sure the barrel stays level through the hitting zone so you hit line drives more often. Slightly upward bat path helps lift while keeping hard contact. Keep wrists firm at impact and extend through the ball, then allow a natural follow-through with the bat finishing over your shoulder. This sequence maximizes energy transfer, and to finish, prioritize safety and small corrections. Always wear a helmet and batting gloves and inspect the metal bat for dents or loose end caps before each use. If timing feels off, shorten your stride and relax grip pressure. If you're popping up or grounding out, tweak bat angle and swing plane. Once done, drill slow motion swings to isolate the problem, then ramp speed back up. If issues continue, make sure to get coach feedback. That external view will pinpoint hidden
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.